Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify autoplay. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify autoplay, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page of apps, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will click on update if you will find it here in this blue sign. If it's not working with you, then you can go to your uninstall app and you can wait a moment to install it again as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.